In the last video, we are reading this poem Alice Written in Country Churchyard by Thomas Gray. So in last video, we discussed about the qualities of the forefathers of the villagers, that how they were very powerful and strong, how they could use their sickle and the axe, and how they could use their plow to break the ground into the pieces or soil into the pieces, and how happily they drove the team of their oxen towards the field. So these qualities we discussed in the last stanza, and in the next stanza now we discuss. This is very important stanza for your examination. Note down. This is very most important stanza for reference to context in your university examination. And this stanza, it was asked many times in different university examinations of Rajasthan or India. Let not ambition mock their useful toil, their homely joys and destiny obscure, nor grandeur hear with a disdainful smile the short and simple annals of the poor. Let not ambition has been personified in this stanza. Ambition and grandeur. Ambition means ambitious people. Grandeur means those people who believe in grandeur, who believe in pomp and show. So what the poet is telling in this stanza? Let not ambition mock their useful toil. Useful toil. The toil of the forefathers of the villagers, that is really very useful for all of us. Without their useful toil, we cannot get grains, we cannot remain alive in this world. When farmers, they work hard at their field day and night, then we get the grains, wheat, rice, grains, and all the pulses, vegetables we get because of their efforts, because of their hard working. So the toil or hard working of the forefathers of the villagers, that is very useful. So the poet has called their toil very useful toil. Sorry. Let not ambition mock their useful toil. Ambition means ambitious people. Oh, ambitious people, you must not ridicule, you should not mock on the useful toil of the forefathers of the villagers. हे महत्वाकांक्षी लोगों, तुमको गरीब किसानों के उपयोगी परिश्रम पर हंसना नहीं चाहिए, उनके यूजफुल टॉयल की खिल्ली नहीं उड़ानी चाहिए. Their homely joys, O ambitious people, you should not laugh, you should not ridicule, you should not mock on their homely joys, you should not mock on their very ordinary joys. उनके सामान्य खुशियों की, उनके सामान्य आनंदों की तुम्हें खिल्ली नहीं उड़ानी चाहिए. हे महत्वाकांक्षी लोगों, तुम्हें उन गरीब किसानों के यूजफुल टॉयल की और उनके ऑर्डिनरी जोईज जो है उनकी खिल्ली नहीं उड़ानी चाहिए. And destiny obscure, and you should also not laugh destiny. Destiny means luck, bhagya. Obscure means complex. You should not laugh. You should not ridicule. You should not mock on the very complex destiny of the forefathers of the villages. O ambitious people, you should not laugh on the very useful toil of the forefathers of the villagers, their homely joys, their ordinary joys, and their complex destiny. Because they were ordinary persons, they were innocent persons, and they lived in the villages which were very far from the so-called cities. That's why they could not get a platform in their life. They could not get opportunity in their life to kindle or reveal their talents on the screen of this world. So, O ambitious people, हे महत्वाकांक्षी लोगों, तुमको उन गरीब किसानों के यूजफुल टोयल की, उनके ऑर्डिनरी आनंदों की और उनके जटिल भाग्य की हंसी नहीं उड़ानी चाहिए. Nor granted here with a disdainful smile. The short and simple annals of the people. Grandeur people who believe in grandeur, who believe in splendor, people who believe in pomp and show. ओ शान और शौकत में विश्वास करने वालों लोगों, ओ pomp and show में विश्वास करने वाले लोगों, तुमको उनके सिंपल और जिंदगी की जो शॉर्ट और ऑर्डिनरी हिस्ट्री है उसको हेडफुल स्माइल के साथ नहीं सुनना चाहिए. यानी उनकी शॉर्ट और सिंपल हिस्ट्री पर आपको मुस्कुराना नहीं चाहिए. अगर आपकी बहुत बड़ी हिस्ट्री है, आपकी बहुत बड़े बड़े आपने कारनामे किए हैं, पर याद रखना एक दिन तुमको भी कब्र में ही मिलना है और उनको भी कब्र में ही जाना है या वो कब्र में चले गए. Nor granted here with a disdainful smile. Oh people, oh aristocratic people, oh sophisticated people, you should not listen, you should not hear the short and simple life history of the forefathers of the villagers with a headful smile. You should not ridicule, you should not laugh at the simple and short life history of the forefathers of the villagers. They were villagers, they were very ordinary persons, they lived in the villages, so they could not enlarge their life history. They could not do very renowned work, very those type of works or those type of deeds through people generally get renowned or fame all over the world because they could not get opportunities in their lives. So, O ambitious people, you should not laugh or ridicule at the useful toil and homely joys and complex destiny, and you should not laugh or you should not smile at the simple and short life history of the forefathers of the villagers in a hateful manner. So this stanza is very, very important for your university examination. So in next video we will discuss the next few stanzas. Thank you very much.